Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Taino Bay, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. This is a stop on Virgin Voyages cruise ship Resilient Lady. You could see many what appears to be glass features highlighting the area of Taino Bay. Some coffee, some designs, lots of birds throughout. Looks like a Christ the Redeemer statue or something similar to it. Monkey Island, come closer. We have adorable monkeys, just the plush monkeys for sale. Lots of shops here in the cruise port as usual. You can get massage, get your nails done, swimming, lots of bars and little fountains about. There's a lazy river in here, lots of pools, music, some dancers in the pool area, and lots of gift shops. There are those monkeys that can hang from your neck, sport bar, restaurant, and of course area back to ship where you're joining me for this walk. There is a bird experience, Aviaris. I believe it's about $18 though, a bit high. New wings, new friends here. You could take taxi to go outside. There's the downtown area, waterfront area, and more. See some designs outside of the gift shop and some birds for sale, fake birds of course. Lots of souvenirs, shirts, picture frames, flip-flops, shirts, and much more. It's clean here, it's not too crowded. The ship arrived at about 10 a.m. I got off the ship around noon. Usually it's quite busy getting off the ship, and there's additional time for it to be cleared by the local authorities. Seating spaces with shade. You could see the tree designs throughout as if they made this roof with palm trees or something similar. You can see the flowers on the bottom. In the back you can see the Virgin Voyages ship through the fence, but not a good vantage point on this side as it's blocked off. Taino Bay map and lots of birds throughout. Birds on the top of the sign and the map of the area. Wander and wonder. Beer is the answer. Eat great, feel great. Mexican food, Blue Parrot seafood, taco lover Mexican food, ice cream, bakery, coffee, and more. There are taco shops on the cruise ship. There's ice cream on the cruise ship. So no thanks there for the extra spending. I hear some birds in the back. There's some roosters wandering around. Looks like the taxi area back here. It says no entry though, but people perhaps leaving one spot, coming out on another, or people are just walking through and nobody seems to care. Some buildings on the bottom, you could see some people rebuilding or fixing some older structures out here for sure. A little bit of drizzle. You can see the cloudy sky. It was raining a little bit earlier, but mostly clear now besides the cloudy skies. About 80 degrees at the end of May 2026. Not bad for walking around. Another glimpse of the cruise ship in the back, and it's getting windier as I'm leaving this resort area. Duty-free shop connects to the other end, and you can see many things for sale here. T-shirts, cigars, lollipops, alcohol, and much more. Tours, last minute dispatch, many trees, fountain in the center, and you can see the bird art throughout with a shopping bag in its mouth, a price tag on the hat, red colors, white colors, green bird at the top, and more as we walk through this port area. Jewelry for sale, almost always the case on these cruise stops. They love the jewelry, some people buying. Bird art continues at the top. Nice design as they have a bird themed cruise port. Don't forget your ship card. Show your card to security. Here on Virgin Voyages, it's a wearable that gets you through security and into your room, which is nice rather than carrying the card. A nice benefit in my opinion. See you soon until next time. And some more birds at the top, hanging from the ceiling. cool they continue the theme throughout. You can see some flags. Mexico flag, looks like a Dominican flag at the top. And the Taino Bay sign, Puerto Plata, Dominican Republic. There you have it, a quick tour of the Dominican Republic cruise port here with Virgin Voyages at Taino Bay. You could see another view of the ship, this one better, the Virgin Voyages Resilient Lady. Get some view of the coast and some birds flying through as well, continuing this bird theme. Shipyard ahead, I saw many doves on top of the shipping crates. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off. Stay tuned for more content and view my archive for more Virgin Voyage cruising.